Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock and is it kaboom? Let's talk about all of that in this video through the lens of technicals. Definitely, as always, I want to mention none of this is any financial advice, it's only for education purposes. Just sharing my opinion, please do your own thing. Well, Nvidia is cracking lower. What's going on? Well, the price action is broken, guys. Now, we had a great run and a great play on this from down here around $105 all the way till this zone of 184, where it started to go in the distribution phase and even the earnings eventually couldn't really save it. And we have broken some critical levels as we'll go through in this video, and I'll talk also about until where can we come all the way down to. Now, if you are a member, you would have taken these trades through my Patreon as I do the videos there from around 104 all the way to 184. Also, if you have access to my tools, that would have give you all the initial insight as well as of what the price action is doing. Because let's turn on my tools and at least this another one. Some are already turned on my screen, but this is another one. And you can see overall structure started to become bearish and weaker right over here. And we are still continuing in that bearish structure right now. So early telltale signs of the bearishness on the overall weakness were already there in front of us. All right. If you need access to my tools and also those, bonus stocks coverage that I do for the members daily, check out the details in the description of this video. There are Patreon links that will give you all the information you need for the tools as well as for the bonus stocks coverage. Now, and if you remember, you were already aware about this upcoming weakness that started and came back at $180 around. It's a zone like from 178 to $180. So, and since thereafter multi-day, I'm on the hourly interval, and since thereafter multi-day also, we are in the ongoing weakness. Right now, there is no bullish structure on Nvidia. It's not a pullback. It's a bearish structure on Nvidia that is continuing lower. As long as now, from where we are, we continue to stay below 170 and 85 cents, there is no point in looking any uptrend play on Nvidia from where we are. If we somehow stop here, bounce back up and start to close a day above 170 and 85 cents, then only we have a room for the strength. Otherwise, no. We will continue in this downtrend, right? And let's get back to the daily interval. How low can we continue to go? As you can see, dashboard also, this is my another tool, is yelling bearish, bearish, bearish across all the intervals, right? Now, losing this level, $170, is another critical level loss, which is almost around where I'm saying, unless it closes above that zone, there is no even multi-day or near-term possible strength of an upside, right? Now, as we stay below where we are, that is below $170, where is the next room for Nvidia to come all the way down to? This is your zone. Right now, Nvidia has a room to come down to all the way to $150 to $153 to $150. So let's just, let's give it a whole number of $150. That's a zone that's going to attract Nvidia. I expect a bounce there, and we'll see if uptrend forms there. That is provided we don't regain an uptrend from where we are. Definitely price action is important to identify every day where the structure would turn around, or are we seeing signs of that turning around. I talk to my members every other trading day, not just Nvidia, but many other stocks, AMD, ARM, Broadcom, Tesla, Microsoft, Apple, like you name it. There are 20 plus stocks that we talk every other day. I should say every day, at the trading days, right? And yeah, so right now that's the direction, and definitely if something would change on Nvidia, I'll be keeping my members update. Again, all the details are in the description of this video if you are interested to join any of those memberships. Now, is that all? Technically, that's all, guys. On Nvidia, we are in the broken structure right now. No uptrend, no signs of even upside as we stay below 170 and 91 cents area. It's a zone always, and pretty much that's what is the zone on the hourly interval as well. So if I take you back to the hourly interval, yeah, that's the zone, 170 and 90 cents around. I mean, my tools will mark all these automatically, the levels for you, and yeah. So that's Nvidia. Right now, things are not looking good. Definitely, we are in the downward direction. While we are here, let's just take a look at the snapshot of Nasdaq 100. This is also my regular coverage with the members. Right now, this is also weak, and I'm not going to go too much detail here. I'm going to talk with the members, and so is S&P 500 has cracked some of the important structures and the areas. And while I'm talking about this, AMD, oh sorry, Nvidia, AMD, is I might do another video on this here as well. But yeah, this is also fully broken. We took the trade from $74 all the way to 178, doubled our money. Pretty much on Nvidia also we doubled our money, and this is where it was like full on bearish, and we took our profits, and we are out. Anyways, Nvidia, let's see. Look, there will be buying opportunities on Nvidia. Again, it's for definitely a long term, but should you be holding right now? Well, that's your decision. But as a trader, no. As a trader, your bearish signs were already forming, as I showed you on my tools as well. That will give you early indication. If you have access to my tools, that's great. If you need them, check out the details in the description of this video. All right, that's all I had, and we'll see you in the next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.